To replace the soft goods on any KeyFit Max infant carrier, start by raising the headrest to its highest level. Slide the bottom edge of the backplate into the pocket of the headrest pad. Carefully put the headrest frame into either side of the headrest. Lower the headrest to its lowest position. Then, place the seat pad on the carrier shell and gently slide the fabric opening around the headrest frame. Now, thread the harness straps and crotch strap through their correct openings. Slide the holes in the cover over the seatbelt guide. And fit the fabric around the top corner edges of the harness adjuster strap cover. Wrap the cover around the lower part of the shell. Flip the plastic tabs under the shell in front of the handle on each side. On the top of the carrier, work the fabric around the top of the shell. Fold the plastic tab under the shell lip. Tuck the material with the elastic straps behind the canopy attachment arm. Wrap the elastic under the bottom of the handle and secure it on the hook. Make sure that the harness straps are not twisted. Thread the straps through the opening on the headrest backplate and pull the harness straps through the openings. Now flip the carrier over. Attach both harness straps to the splitter plate. Ensure they aren't twisted. Flip the carrier back over. Reattach the shoulder pads and crotch pad. To reattach the crotch pad, loop the ribbon through the crotch strap and secure the snap. Then reattach the headrest insert and newborn positioner as needed. To reattach the canopy, secure the canopy bow on each side until you hear a click. It should not come back out of the slot. Slide the canopy fabric tunnel down over the canopy attachment arm. Reattach the elastic strap around the bottom of the carrier handle on each side. Then, reattach the two toggles on the back of the carrier.